WAEC Chemistry Objectives Series Episode 1 Mole Concept. We have 10 questions in this lesson, and these are likely questions that WAEC always repeated them from this particular topic. So pay attention and watch this lesson till the very end. So question 1 says that the number of particles present in 1 mole of a substance is called A. We have molar volume, B. We have Avogadro's constant, C. We have relative atomic mass, and then D. We have atomic number. So what is the correct answer of this question? The answer of this question is B. Let's see the explanation. 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02 times 10 raised power 23 particles. So B is the correct answer. So let's move to question 2. Question 2 says that the molar mass of hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6 acid is A. We have 49 gram per mole, B. We have 96 gram per mole, C. We have 98 gram per mole, and D. We have 100 gram per mole. So what is the correct answer here? The correct answer here is C. So C is the correct answer, and let's see the explanation. We have sulfuric acid. Hydrogen are 2, and the mass of hydrogen is 1. So plus 32. 32 is coming from sulfur, plus we have 4 of oxygen times 16. When you multiply 2 times 1 will give you 2 plus 32. When you multiply 4 times 16 will give you 64. So when you add everything will give you 98 gram per mole. The next question here, we have how many moles are present in 22 grams of carbon dioxide. Now A, we have 0.5 mole, B, we have 1.0 mole, and C, we have 2.0 mole, then D, we have 44 mole. So what is the correct answer of this question? So the correct answer of this question is A. The explanation of A is molar mass of carbon 2 oxide is equal to 44 gram per mole. Moles is equal to 22 divided by 44 is equal to 0.5 mole. So A is the correct answer. Question 4 say that the volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at s.t.p is A. 11.2 dm cube, B. we have 22.4 dm cube, C. we have 24.0 dm cube, and then D. we have 44.8 dm cube. So what is the correct answer of this question? The correct answer of this question is B. Let's see the explanation. At standard temperature and pressure, 1 mole of a gas occupies 22.4 dm cube. So the answer is B. Now let's move on. Question 5. Now in question 5 says which of the following contains the highest number of particles? A. we have 1 mole of oxygen, B. we have 2 moles of oxygen, C. we have 0.5 mole of oxygen, and then D. we have 22 grams of oxygen. So what will be the correct answer in this question? The correct answer in this question is B. Now B is the correct answer. So the explanation here is number of particles depends on moles. 2 moles contain twice Avogadro's number. So B is the correct answer. 2 moles of oxygen. So the next question, which is question 6. Now question 6. Let's see question 6. Question 6 says that the empirical formula of benzene is, what is the empirical formula of benzene? Now A, we have CH, B, we have CH2, C, we have C6H6, and then D, we have C2H2. So what is the correct answer for this question? Now the correct answer for this question is A. Now let's see the explanation of the correct answer. Benzene, which is C6H6, simplifies to CH has the simplest whole number ratio. So the next question is question 7. Now question 7 says that what is the number of moles in 36 grams of water? Now A, we have 1 mole, B, we have 2 mole, C, we have 3 mole, and then D, we have 18 mole. So what is the answer of this question. Now the answer of this question is B. Now let's see the explanation. The explanation: molar mass of water is equal to 18 gram per mole. Now if you divide 36 divided by 18, you have 2 mole. So B is the correct answer. So the next question is question 8. Now in question 8 says that the mass of 1 mole of sodium chloride is, we have A 23 gram, B we have 35.5 gram, C we have 58.5 gram, and then C we have 63.5 gram. So what is the correct answer of this question? Now the correct answer of this question is C. So we have sodium, which is 23, plus chlorine. Chlorine is 35.5. When you add everything together, will give you 58.5 gram per mole. Now let's move to the next question. Now the next question here, which is question 9, and question 9 say that the relative molecular mass of calcium carbonate is A we have 56, B we have 84, C we have 100, and then D we have 120. So what is the correct answer of this question? Now the correct answer of this question is C. Now we have the mass number of calcium is 40 plus C. Now our carbon, the mass number is 12 plus oxygen, and oxygen, the mass number of oxygen is 16. So when you multiply 16 times 3 will give you 48. So when you sum everything together will give you 100. So C is our correct answer. Now question 10. Now question 10 says that how many molecules are present in 2 moles of hydrogen gas? A we have 6.02 times 10 raised power 23. B we have 1.204 times 10 raised power 24, and then C we have 3.01 times 10 raised power 23, and then D we have 2.408 times 10 raised power 23. So what is the correct answer in this question? So the correct answer in this question is B. 1 mole is equal to 6.0 times 10 raised power 23 molecules. So if 2 moles, now you are going to multiply 2 times 1 mole now, which is 2 times 6.02 times 10 raised power 23, which will give you 1.204 times 10 raised power 24. So this is the correct answer. So the correct answer here is B.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you found this lesson useful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell for more chemistry lessons.